Hello, welcome to Jira Guru. So today we'll talk about one kind of bug in Jira. So what's the problem over here? You can see this is the board. Okay, I am in the backlog view of my Jira, and there are multiple issues are available in my Jira. So you can see, so there are total 8 issues. So 4 out of them are in the sprint, and 3 are in the backlog view. But you can say we can see one done issue also, and here in the cancel and done, so that's fine, it's available in the active, so I don't have any problem. So if you'll go to active sprint, so I have 4 columns, one to do, in progress, done, and cancelled, and I can see all 4 issues, that's fine. But once you will come to the backlog, you can see I'm able to see the done issue also. So why it's coming? It should not come. So you will think because of the Jira filter. So let's go to configure board. In the column also, you can see this is the column. Okay, edit filter query. So I can see all 8 issues are available. Oh my god, here 8 issues are coming, but here only 7 issues were coming. So why it's a different? So why that one issue is not coming? So we need to find out the solution for it. Okay, you can see, you cannot say the resolution is not available and all, everything is fine. I'm having the resolution for all the closed issues such as done and cancelled, it's available. Okay, and if you are going to change, so you are going to do any modification in the filter query, so what it will do, it will issue will not be available in your active sprint as well, so you cannot change with it. So this is a simple problem, but it can be confusing. So why it's happening like this, I will show you. So just go to the configure board. Okay, under the column, here you can see there are 4 columns are available: to do, in progress, done, and cancelled. So according to the Jira, doesn't matter if you're in the cloud version or you're in the data center version, so doesn't matter. So if you are in the Jira, and what it's doing, it's just considering right hand side. So whatever is the right most, that is only the resolved issue for the Jira. Okay, so if I will do interchange like this, so you can come here, refresh the page. Now you can see cancelled will be available. Why done is not available? Because done is the rightmost column, and here this column means this is the resolved issue according to Jira. Okay, in the backlog view. So this is a problem. So how we can resolve this problem? So you just need to create only one completed or the closed status column at the end, and move this status in the done status. Okay, like this. So come, you can check, you can refresh the page, and you can see, so cancelled and done issues are available in the active sprint, but they are not available in the backlog view. So like this we can solve the problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Thank you.